Hello everyone, you are welcome to another video section of Python for All. In this video, we will take a look at an overview of the Spyder IDE. Let's get started. Simply locate your Spyder IDE shortcut on your desktop, double-click it, and it opens this window for you. When the window opens up, you will see to your left console the editor, and to your right your IPython console. Now there are a lot of customization you can do to your IDE. You can change the background color, you can change the theme, you can change the font. If you look straight on top of the window, you will see the various menu, which is the file, the edit, search, source, run, debug, consoles, projects, tools, views, and help. Each of these are various drop-down menu where you can do your customization. Also, you can set your preferences by going right under the menu bar and you see the spanner symbol. When you click on it, a window pops up, and there you can do all of your customization, setting your working directory, choosing your IPython interpreter, the IPython console, the history, and all sort of customization that you want to do. Once you are done, you can click apply and then you click OK. For instance, if I go to the working directory section, you can see here I've chosen my working directory and I've fixed it so when the Spyder IDE opens up, it opens to this working directory on my system. Then once I'm done with my customization, I simply click OK. When you click OK, you come back to the main window here, which is the editor, and to the right, the IPython console. Every code written in this editor and saved is executed and displayed on the IPython console. So let's get started with our coding. Here we will demonstrate the last example we had in our previous video, which is on namespace. So let's start by calling the namespace.py. Enter a comment. Then you define the two functions. The first is the function, we define the function foo. The function foo, and this says prints this is foo. Then we go outside the function block with two level in spaces downward, and then we define the function bar, which also prints this is bar. Once we are done, we'll go outside the function block and then we create a namespace dictionary. Okay, the namespace dictionary namespace, and we create an empty dictionary. The next we also put a comment and say assign the functions to namespace. So what that means is that we assign the functions foo and bar to the namespace dictionary. So we have namespace. In this case, for the first one, we have foo as the item and we assign that to foo. You will notice that Spyder also pops up suggestion while we're typing. So we call that auto completion. So once you have that, you can also use your auto completion to complete your code. We assign that to bar. Here we don't want the bar function, we just want bar. So we click escape and go to the next. Now, having got to the next line, let us now call these functions from the namespace. So we have a print statement, print, and here we have namespace of what is the item, the key. The key is foo, and then call the function on it. We repeat same again for the next function. We call namespace of the key is bar, and then we call the function on it. Once you have finished this, what we do next is to save our file. So you go here and click save or Ctrl S. When you click save, it navigates you to our working directory, and then you enter the file name namespace. The next thing to do is to click the run shortcut under the menu bar. Once you click the run, the result is displayed on the IPython console on your right. And here you can see this is full, followed by none. This is bar, followed by none. None value printed here is because the two functions has no return statement. So in Python, when there's a function has no return statement, it returns none. But if these functions are imported into another program, then it only prints this is full when executed. With this, we have come to the end of this session. Like this video, comment if you have any question. Please share this video also, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and ensure that you click the notification bell to get notified of new uploads. Till then, we'll meet in our next video section.